Hey guys, welcome to Dapper Lighting. Gonna do a video today on our HDR switchback halo wiring. We're gonna talk about what it takes to install one of these in your car, and just so you know, the HDR halo wiring is the same whether it's in a 4x6 headlight, 575, any of the headlights that have HDR will have this type of wiring. So let's talk about what we have here. We have a 4.6 headlight with an HDR halo installed. The wire for the halo coming out, which will plug into your halo driver. You'll have to mount that box in a safe spot in your car. Then from there, we go on to the harness where you'll see 4 different wires. So let's plug it up and talk about those wires. All right, we're plugged up. So let's talk about first the black ground wire. So you'll need to find a good source of ground for this. And then next you have the red wire, which is the full power for the white halo. So those two will make up the white halo. And you'll need to find an input for that red wire. Some people plug into the daytime running lights or ignition. So when you turn the ignition on, the halo comes on. So next we have the turn signal, the yellow wire. So you'll use the turn signal input wire for that. And then lastly, we have the white low power. So some people say that the halo is too bright for their liking. So if you want a low power alternative, you'll use the white wire. Now most people will choose the high power halo output and not the low power halo output. So in that case, you will not need to use the white wire. And for connecting the halo wiring harness to your car, we include some T-taps. So what you'll do to install a T-tap is lay the wire that you're tapping into the V-shaped metal groove and clasp the connector shut. That allows you to then plug the connector into the halo wire via the connectors that are included. We include all the connectors so you can connect as many wires as you need. So let's go ahead and power it up so you can see what the halo functionality looks like. So we've wired up the wiring harness. We've connected our red, the black ground, and the yellow turn signal input. So let's turn on our halo as if we turned the ignition on or whatever power source you have. And you can see this is the full power halo. We have our red, the black, and the yellow. So let's turn the turn signal on. Automatically switches over, and then we turn the turn signal off, and it automatically switches back. So if you decide to use the low power, the white wire, let's power up, let's take it off the red and put it on the white. That is what the low power halo looks like. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. If you have 2 headlights or 4 headlights, you'll have to wire up 2 or 4 of these harnesses. So it's a little bit extra wiring, but it is definitely worth it. So if you have any questions, email us at support@dapperlighting or give us a call at 833-DAPPER1. Thanks for watching.